Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M12 and today I'll show you how you can connect AirPods Pro to this smartphone. At the first we have to open notification bar, then click and hold the Bluetooth icon. Right now we have to open case of our AirPods Pro, rotate like that, and then click and hold this button on the back of the charging case. We have to move them into the pairing mode, and it is going to happen when this indicator starts blinking on white color, and right now they are in the pairing mode, so we can release that key. Then tap on the switcher in the right upper corner to turn on Bluetooth, and when they pop on the available devices list, we have to simply tap on them, so just wait, and here they are, so just click. Then tap OK to accept the request, and as you can see, that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!